Bum 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 bum. The Peter Dislike Show. Bum 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 bum. So it looks like this election season, Donald Trump is discussing about returning to a gold standard, but he should know better than that because he owns several big pieces of real estate with a lot of technology in it, and he probably uses metals other than gold to make his fortune, right? Which I guess he invests some of it in gold, but he could do a whole lot better diversifying his portfolio, obviously. It turns out there are 13 metals that occur at less than 1/1,000,000th in the Earth's crust and that are non-radioactive. They are thallium, indium, silver, palladium, bismuth, platinum, gold, osmium, tellurium, ruthenium, iridium, rhodium, and rhenium. And it got me thinking, why don't we back our currency with a basket of all of these metals based on how rare they are in the Earth's crust, right? In round numbers, for every 1 ounce of gold, we have about 1.25 ounces of platinum. We got half an ounce of osmium. We got a 1/4 ounce each of tellurium, ruthenium, iridium, and rhodium. We got about 1/5 of an ounce of rhenium. We got 2 ounces each of palladium and bismuth. Chew on that thought. Every ounce of gold, there's only 2 ounces of bismuth in the Earth's crust, right? Every time you look at a bismuth crystal, just imagine a gold crystal half that, or maybe a 1/4 that size, because gold is twice as dense as bismuth, right? In my mind, they're equal, right? Actually, the bismuth might even be worth more because it has more application to it. Okay, so 20 ounces of silver in that basket, 60 ounces of indium, 200 ounces of thallium. And I think a basket like this is actually remarkably stable. Remember in 2000, when gold and silver tanked, palladium was doing really well because of the Ford Motor Company. In 1980, when silver and gold went to the moon, a lot of the strategic metals fell behind because our economy was lagging. So I think a basket like this is quite remarkably stable over the long haul while keeping pace with inflation. Now, doing the calculation today, this basket, this Earth dollar, if you will, is right now worth about $34,822.57 US dollars. And what really blows my mind is how diverse the contribution to each metal is. So right now, that's got 39 cents worth of bismuth, 49 cents worth of tellurium. And it just goes to show you don't need to buy a whole lot of bismuth and tellurium to hedge against some of the other metals, right? If you don't have any, what are you waiting for, right? You could buy a good chunk of it with like pocket change, right? This is the Peter Dislike Show. Bum 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 bum. The Peter Dislike Show. Bum 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 bum.